Hey loves, welcome to my beginner crochet series. If you've never crocheted before or you just pick up a hook and went, what now? You're in the right place. We're starting from scratch today. I'll show you the basic tools, the easiest stitches, and tips that helped me when I was just starting. So grab your yarn, chill out, and let's learn crochet together. Okay, before we stitch anything, let's talk about the tools you'll need. First is the crochet hook. Start with the 4mm hook. It's a good beginner size. You'll see others like 3.5mm or 6mm, but a 4mm works great with most yarns we'll use. Next is the yarns. I recommend acrylic yarn for beginners. It's soft, affordable, and easy to find online, usually around 25 pesos or less than $1. Try a 5-ply milk cotton yarn if you want something soft and not too thick or thin. Next one is stitch markers. These are lifesavers. Use them to mark the beginning and end of your rows so you don't lose count. And also this is optional. Alright, let's start crocheting. We're making a slip knot. This is how we start almost every crochet project. So, wrap the yarn around your finger. Pinch it with your thumb. Make a loop. Then pull the yarn through. Now, pop your hook into the loop, and let's talk about how to hold everything. So, hold your hook like a pen or like a knife, whichever feels right. And for the yarn, your middle finger and thumb hold the base. Your pointer controls the yarn tension. Let's make a foundation chain. First, you're gonna yarn over, wrap yarn over your hook, pull it through the loop. Then that's chain 1. Keep doing that yarn over, pull through until you've made 10 chains. Don't worry if they look like a little funky, that's normal when you're starting out. Next up, your first stitch, the single crochet. Add 1 extra chain, so now you have 11 total. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull through, so now you have 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. And that's it. You just made a single crochet stitch. Let's do a few more together. Here's a trick to keep your rows neat. Use stitch markers. Put one in the first stitch and one in the last. That way, you'll always know where to begin and end, and your edges won't go wonky. Let's go to row 2. Turn your work, and instead of chaining 1, just go right into the first stitch. This helps your edges stay straight and clean. Trust me, it looks better in the long run. Let's learn another stitch, the half double crochet. First, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, and pull through. Now you have 3 loops. And then you're gonna have to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Nice! This stitch is great for soft, cozy texture, so let's keep it going. Ready for a bigger stitch? Let's try a double crochet. First, you're going to yarn over, insert into the stitch, yarn over, and pull through. And now you have 3 loops. Then, yarn over and pull through just 2 loops. Then yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. Repeat that all the way across the row. It's tall, it's stretchy, and super useful for scarves and blankets. Try this trick. Do a stacked single crochet. It makes your edges look way cleaner. So, how do we do that? First, you're going to make a single crochet. Insert your hook into the left loop of the stitch. Then make another single crochet. So that's your starting double stitch. All done? Here's how to finish your project neatly. Leave a small tail and cut the yarn. Pull the yarn all the way through the loop on your hook. Use a needle or your hook to weave it into your stitches. Then, trim the extra yarn. Now your project won't fall apart and it looks clean, so it's a nice work. And that's it. You've just learned your first crochet stitches. How cool is that? If this helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting more beginner tutorials, cute patterns, and tips for your crochet journey. If you have got any questions, drop them in the comments. I love chatting with you guys. Let's keep making cute stuff together.